Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Roblox. Super simple and super helpful, especially if you prefer a darker interface or play at night. If this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips every week. First, click the gear icon menu in the top left corner to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, click on Settings. Once you're in the settings page, make sure you're under the Account Info tab. Now scroll down a bit until you see Theme. Click the drop-down menu and switch from light to dark, then scroll down and hit Save. Boom! Just like that, your Roblox now has dark mode enabled. That's it. Enjoy the new look. If this was helpful, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more fast and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.